Going on, everyone? Got a 2021 GMC Yukon, and today I'm going to show you how to pull out your cabin filter if you want to replace it. So the cabin filter is actually located behind the glove box door, so we're going to lower that. The first thing we're going to do is go open it up, and you have a damper here that we are going to disconnect. Okay, so at the bottom of it, we're just going to pull towards the left. Okay, and disconnect it just like that. It just snaps. Just use my thumb. It's the easiest way. Now there's these stoppers right here on the sides of the glove box, and we're going to push the glove box in and get it around these stoppers. Okay, and then the glove box will just come down. Okay, it'll actually come right off the hinges just like that. It's supposed to do that. And it's going to go right back on just like this. Okay, here's a better look at the damper right here. Okay, this just slows down the door, and right here is where the cabin filter is living. Okay, so to get this door open, right here on the left side, we're going to push this clip. Oops. Back here in the back of it. Okay, we're going to unclip it like this. Okay, sometimes you can push this. It's kind of stiff. You stick your finger in here, just pull it towards you, get it to come out that way. Okay, now once you do that, you're going to slide the whole door to the left, and it'll come right off. Okay, there are these little feet that slide into these little tabs. There's two of them right here, and on the end there's just this nub that goes in this slot. Okay, and here we go. AC Delco cabin filter in this guy here. And notice that this has the airflow pointing down, and this filter is brand new, so we're not changing it today. If you need a filter, check down the description box. I'll have the part number and a link. Takes you to Amazon. If you want to buy a brand new filter, get it real quick with your Prime membership. Stick that back in there just like that. Get the door, make sure it's facing the right way. Put the right side in first. Put it up on here like this. All right, and then we're just going to slide it to the right and then lock it in. The glove box door. Put it on the hinges. And all you got to do is close it. Like that. Come over here, take Mr. Damper. Pull them back out, put them back on, snap it on. They're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, really appreciate it if you'd leave me a comment, hit that like button for me. Hope to see you again in another video.